Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful short fitted dress. Now, this is the fabric we're using for the tutorial. For this short fitted dress, we need the length. I'll be using the length of 45 inches as the length. You can use your desired length depending on how short you want it to be. I'll use 45 inches for the length. I'll use the shoulder of 16 inches. My bust measurement is 40 inches. The waist is 36, while the hips is 41. Now let's get started. Now to determine the measurement I need for this short fitted dress, the width here is 12.5 inches. That is the widest part of my body is the hips, which is 41 inches. That is 10.2 inches. This is 10 point, or approximately let's use 10.5. That is 10.5 inches. Then I'll be adding extra 2 inches allowance. So the wideness of the dress here I'm making is 12.5 inches. Now, firstly, I want to measure the length. My length is 45 inches and I'll be adding extra 2 inches, making it 47 inches. Let me draw it down. Okay, this is my 47 inches. I will mark it. If you're new to my channel, kindly pause, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Yeah, I'll put a straight line. Okay, the first thing is to put my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided into 2 will give me 8 inches. Then I'll add extra ½ inch for the seam allowance. That is 8.5 inches. Is the ½ inch I will use to join it at the shoulder side, or at the armhole side rather. This is 8.5 inches. Then I'll use armhole of 9 inches. This is 9 inches. I will as well measure 8.5 inches here, so that to get it right.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
So this is the front. While this is the back piece. Is in two because of the zipper. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Any question on this or any style you want us to make for you, can drop your comments at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Bye until I see you again in my next video.